Hi. In this guide, we'll walk you through configuring and using our translator for SharePoint solution. Let's get started. Translator for SharePoint from Accelerator 365 streamlines your multilingual content creation, enabling automated translation on your SharePoint site. If you want to save time creating content that all your users can read in just a few easy steps, keep watching. First, we need to set up our SharePoint site to make the required languages available. Open the site settings from the icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Site Settings and then View All Site Settings. Continue by selecting Language Settings under Site Administration. There, you can enable translation into multiple languages and add the languages you wish to support on your site. When you're done, save these settings. Now it's time to configure the translator for SharePoint. Choose Complete Setup at the top of the screen. Choose a site to store the configuration data and then select Create Data Source. Please note that in this example, a temporary Microsoft Translator Key is being used. To see how to set up your own translator key, visit our knowledge base for more information. Once the data source has been created, save the settings at the bottom of the Properties pane. Now we can get started translating content. On the page you wish to translate, choose Translate from the banner at the top of the screen. Don't worry, only site editors will see this banner. Use the Create Translations to trigger the creation of the new pages into the necessary languages. At this point, the content has been copied but not translated. Select Translate once again and start a translation for either one language or all languages. You'll need to accept the message explaining that the content is sent to Microsoft Azure before continuing. Now, your SharePoint pages are being updated with the new content. Once your content has been translated, visit the new language page to see the results. Remember to review it first and publish when ready. And that's it! You're all set to begin creating content in multiple languages using Accelerator 365's Translator for SharePoint solution. For more details and support, contact us today. Thank you for choosing Accelerator 365.